So constant battle we fight with the Battlebot is how do you test the weaponry? You need to go somewhere where stuff can go really wrong and you know people won't get hurt. So you need somewhere with a good sturdy thing for you to stand behind and shield yourself with, but you're still looking for something that's still paved so you can drive the robot around. We're very lucky that one of our sponsors, Matt, has found a location way out in the middle of nowhere where we can take the robot and there's some cement barriers that we can stand behind. So, we got permission from the property owner and we're driving the robot out to an abandoned parking lot with some good protection.
Say hi, Skorpios.
Yeah, he's back there. So we've picked this location because there's lots and lots of barricades for us to hide behind while we do our testing. As you can see, many barricades. Many, many, many. It's important when you do this somewhere safe, somewhere deserted, where there's no one for miles and miles and miles. So right now what we're testing is we want to find out if the robot gyros with the blade at full speed. Now, a lot of unpredictable things can happen when you're doing this kind of testing, which is why we're using unmanned cameras to record this. But you can see as the blade swings, it's actually picking our wheels up off the ground. It's giving us a moment of not having any control. And right here is something we didn't plan for. The robot did a huge wheelie and our blade took out a bunch of the asphalt. It set chunks for about 100 feet. And this is the big reason we are very far away behind a concrete bunker. And several times we almost lost cameras during this testing. So, big thank you once again to Matt for finding us somewhere where we could be very, very far away behind a concrete block while doing all of this. Alright, Skorpios can officially chop wood.
Now see, that chunk probably could have been all the way to here if that arm was like somehow faster, but if you have the RPMs of that thing spinning, you can only get so much forward.
Oh, same one?
Now, as I mentioned, these are unmanned camera mounts, and we don't actually see the footage until after the test. So, unfortunately, we just got to record the debris flying through the air.
Well, we've got kindling. Wow! That right there is a trophy. Actually, yeah, let's leave that. I want to.
All right, and our second to last winner, because there's only one more giveaway after this, is Michael Craig. You, sir, won my Sweaty and Disgusting Season 4 jersey. But it is autographed by me and Diana, and this is what I wore on the show during Season 4.
All right, what about our next giveaway?
Our next giveaway is a completely done, ready-to-fight 150-gram combat robot.
Woo!
Fully ready to rock, built by me and Diana here in the Bot Bash shop. It'll have a titanium wedge and a Mark Forge frame.
Woo!
This is our biggest giveaway yet. It'll have its radio, be wired, and be battle ready. All you have to do to enter is please like and subscribe. You have to be a subscriber. And leave a comment on this video about what you like most about Battlebots.
Aww.
That's it.
Yeah, the other phone's with you.
Oh my god.
All right. So he's just a little dirty. Just a little dirty. Look at those sponsor labels. Oh, yeah. Now, we did discover something through all of our testing. We actually managed to get the gear to slip backwards and no longer engage with the front one. So we're going to have to make some kind of spacers that go in there. But this is the things you learn in weapon testing. So yay!
I'll point out the spacing in the gear.
Oh, yeah. We might have also twisted this a little bit. So we're going to take this apart and clean it and see what we can do to get it ready for the next round. We just got to clean up a little bit of a mess. Just a little Skorpios paint in there.
Did you get the other one that's got the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this one we may not burn that immediately. That's a trophy.
Robots fight better than people. Skorpios, don't you think that's true?
I refuse to participate in this parody you make.
Okay, that's fair. I understand. But robots are snugglier than people. Skorpios, don't you think I'm right?
What a bold-faced lie! I refuse to comply. Now go away, flesh creature.
But I got you to rhyme.
Ah!